So, looking for a gaming keyboard? This could be the pup for you. This is the T61 wireless backlight keyboard and mouse set. It actually says suite, but it's a set. Yeah, it's 60% less than a normal size one. Basically, they've done away with the number pad just to get it smaller. And it takes rechargeable batteries, apparently. I'm guessing they actually come with it. I'm not 100% sure because I haven't undone the box yet. But it says they are 3,800 milliamp batteries, rechargeables. So hopefully it does. Oh, it comes with a little mat as well, a little mouse mat. It's quite nice. Is that ZU Lang Game Mouse Mat? Oh, that's alright. The game, what's that? The game running, sorry. The game, I can't read the rest of that. Something. I put my proper mouse on it at the moment. So this actually costs less than £40. So it might be something you're interested in. Also comes with USB to USB Type C, and you get 2 of them. And I'm taking it, that is for charging up the batteries that are inside. Oh, by the way, it's supposed to be very quiet as well, so it may be perfect for a bedroom. Yeah, something like that. Let's get that out of the way. And that. So we have a tiny little, it's quite heavy actually. Yeah, we have a tiny little keyboard that weighs quite a bit. And it looks really nice. So actually, I quite like that. Instructions. Always read the instructions. And the mouse. Oh, it's flashing it. Yeah. So that is everything you get in the box, apparently. And that'd be a little dongle there, I would have thought. USB dongle. Yeah, so you plug that into your PC, turn it on, and you've got 2 settings on there. I'm not sure what they do. So it's 2.4 gigahertz wireless charging JED mouse. Don't know what that means. Made in China. I know what that means. So you can charge it through somewhere. Where would the charger go? Ah, right, so it goes in there, in the front. Yep. And on here somewhere, on the back, yeah, on the back. And we have an on-off switch. So let's have a quick listen to the keys. They're not that quiet. There. So I wouldn't say it's quiet. Let's see what the RGB looks like. That's on here, wouldn't it? So turn it on. And that's on. Or has it got to be plugged in first? On, off. On. You might want charging up actually. Never thought about that. On. That one flashed. Now, dongle. Or USB dongle. Let's get that out. I will plug that straight into my KVM switch and see if she works from there. I'm not sure if it will or not, but we'll try it. It's plugged in. Oh, that's lit. That's lit up anyway. So the mouse is definitely working. Good. Control Alt. Oh, there she goes. Control Alt Delete. Where are you? I've lost it. I'm confused. Ah, there you go. Oh, it does work. Oh, and it does light up. Look at that, baby. So just need to touch it first. Get rid of that. First impressions. Works straight out of the box, as you would hope it would. Didn't need charging up straight away, which is good. It's a good size, especially for my grandchild. Yeah, this is actually for my grandchild. I do have another one coming, another keyboard and mouse set coming, and I will do another review on that. That one costs a little bit more money. It's about another £10 to £15 dearer than this one. And I'm going to keep that one for myself because my old one, my old keyboard and mouse wireless ones, some of the buttons have stopped working now because it's getting on a bit. And I didn't want to take it apart. Now, I do know someone's going to say, what colour is it underneath? I don't know. Let's turn it off for a second. Oh, it's on the back, isn't it? Turn it off, it should work now. That's good. And I'm guessing you can change the colours, the patterns and that. If you want to turn them off, turn them on, things like that. And normally it'd be FN key and either a number or a letter. Let's have a play about, see what happens. I'll have to read the instructions. Give me a second. It's FN and P. So we have that, we have breathing, different patterns, and off. Not many. It's got 3 modes. It's got that one, static. It's got a breathing one, or was that the breathing one? It's got off. It's got that one. That's the breather. Yeah. It's got static. And it's got off. Yeah. Very cool. Right. Right, so with that, I'm going to have a little play about it. Fully charge her up and see what happens, shall we? Right, so I must admit I'm very disappointed because this is not the one I've done the unboxing on. This is a replacement already, and I'm not happy with this one either. It's not often I'll get disappointed, but I must admit with this company or with this hardware, and for the amount of money it costs, £37, £38, something like that, yeah, I'm very disappointed. I expected it to work, you know, reasonably well. So why did I send the first one back? And that is because the mouse lost connection with the actual dongle or the USB Wi-Fi connection, and I followed the instructions to reconnect it and it just would not work. I tried for hours. In the end I contacted Amazon for a return, sent it back, and I thought I'll give them the benefit of the doubt and I'll get a replacement, and that's what I've done. So this is a replacement, but unfortunately, I have issues with this one as well. Now, you think, yeah, looks alright, Yorkie, what's the matter with it? Yeah, it's working fine. Does everything you're supposed to be doing with it, like FN key. If you want to turn brightness down or turn it up, that works fine. If you want to change or turn off the lighting, want breathing, again, it works fine. You can speed it up, slow it down. Again, that works fine, but it's no good. And the reason for that is the spacebar. But if I press that, it's not doing nothing. If I press that side, it works. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but let me just see. That side is working. That side keeps getting stuck down. Yeah? That is no good. The other keys are working fine, but on this keyboard, it keeps getting stuck. So what I am going to do is I'm going to send it back. Yeah, I'm very disappointed. It looks nice. My grandson really likes it, but I'm not going to order another replacement because there's no point, because I might have something else go wrong with it. You know, I can understand now and again you might get one that goes wrong, you know, you get a dud. It happens. Doesn't matter how much money they spend on building these devices. Things tend to go wrong sometimes and they don't always check them out fully. But this is my second one and I have a different issue and I'm not happy with it. I do like it, my grandson likes it, but what's the point? Oh yeah, you can change the colour on this one as well. Yeah, got 2 options, that one or that one. Yeah, 2 options. Not sure what it does, but like I said, I can't recommend it, it's rubbish. Very disappointed. So with that, if you found this video useful and informative and you like any of my videos, consider subscribing. It does help the channel to keep on growing and it allows me to make reviews on products like this and tell you what I think about it. And I'm not happy. I must admit, I'm very disappointed. So with that, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing and click on the bell to get notified for when my videos go live. Thank you very much for watching. Oh well, you're going back.